Hi guys! Surprise, surprise! Okay, this is what I've got from my wife. And why I've got it? क्यों लाया मैंने तो अभी है Valentine's Day. It's happening and this is for my wife. So, okay, here's the box. ये box में gift है. तो ये हमारी दोस्त है Shelly. It's her company and I usually buy all my gifts from Ornate Jewels. बहुत emergency हो कुछ भी हो, it's quite easy to do it on online shopping also, and they've got best products. So I'll tell you, they are elegant, they are decent, they are on regular wears we can carry anywhere, and me and my wife love their products. So what I've got from my wife is this, a pearl set. I should show you, and it's pretty cool and good. It's heart-shaped pearl, which I've loved it, and my wife anyways loves pearls and diamonds, so that's how it looks. This is the heart-shaped pearl that I've got it for my wife. So happy Valentine's Day to Utpala and to the entire team of Ornate Jewels. I'm buying stuff from them, you also buy. Let's not miss it. Please go and Google for Ornate Jewels. Thank you Ornate Jewels, and happy Valentine's Day. See ya.